I'm just gonna go ahead and then I'll share my screen.
Yeah, yeah, please.
And we're trying to get lead, trying to take people to our website for them to fill in the um the quotes tab, and then we call them, or they can call us also. So, what are you going to be doing? Lead campaign, or you're going to be doing just a search campaign?
Yeah, the thing is, brother, when we run the search campaign, in the search campaign, here is two also option. One call extension, one is lead extension. We can
Okay,
add the call extension in the bottom search campaign. I mean, people can directly call from search campaign. No need to open our website. But some
okay,
people identify how we am. That's why the people open the website, and we can
okay,
also add a lead form. I mean, short lead form in the down search campaign.
okay.
Yeah.
And in that lead form, do we access the lead form from Google, like on our Google ad account, or we get the lead form on our website's um,
Yeah. Yeah.
form?
Yeah. It's a good question. When people click our ads and they land our landing page and they fill up the lead, this lead is going to your mail or developer house setup. But
Okay,
if any people fill up the Google extension lead, so here is the option you can connect by Excel sheet. Okay, so when people fill up
okay,
the lead automatically go the Excel sheet. But the connect is not my job, and truly I cannot do this. It can
okay,
do the developer. But if you tell me, then
okay,
I can research about it.
okay. So basically, the one you know how to do properly is the calling, putting the number for them to call you directly,
Yeah.
and then going to the websites. But yeah, we need them to go on the website. They can fill in the lead on the website, or
Yeah.
they can just call us directly.
Yes.
We don't have to put the form under the Google ads, the ad. We can just have them go on the website or just call us directly.
Okay. So we should to use the more attractive headline because when people see, people should to go in website and be
Yeah.
backend.
Okay. All right.
Like, yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, you've answered most of the questions. So what we'll do, we'll make the payments to you, and then we can get this started. You said so 10. You need exactly 10 days.
Yeah.
So it can be sooner than 10 days, eh? It needs to be 10 days exactly.
At least 6 days I need if we do rush
Okay.
6 days.
Okay. Okay. No problem. I will have Jane. She will be the one helping, and then
Yes.
we'll get started for you.
Yeah.
All
And
right.
he's very friendly. Before meeting, I meet him.
Yeah. Awesome. Uh, Jane.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll make the payments online, and then he can get started. So at least by next week we have this going.
Okay, sounds good.
Live. Yeah.
Sounds good. Will Mehdi be sending me like the data for me to check, or do you want him to send it to you directly for you to check?
The
Uh,
data.
I mean, because Mehdi, you said that you will come up with like some keywords and stuff like that, and then if it's good, then you write the headline. You said so. Promise. Do you want him to send it to you for you to
Yep.
check? So I'll click on accept. Yeah.
exactly.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. If you accept, then the payment keep Fiverr. When you approve, after 15 days, I get the payment. This is the system.
Oh, okay. Okay. Understand.
Okay.
Understand. Okay. No
And
problem.
don't worry, I will work this work by my own business as a partner, because I know if I give you the good result, then you can hire me for the next month. This is the
For
nature.
sure. For sure.
But as a marketer,
So
I will try my best.
yeah. So the payment you make payments before the job starts, or the,
Yeah, he's saying that the payment is made and the Fiverr holds the payment until we
okay.
accept that we like the work that has been done, and then
Okay.
they release it.
Makes sense. Okay.
Do you have any more questions?
That's all. If I have, I guess so. Can we have more Zoom calls if or do we wait till after the 10 days or the 6 days when you're done to have another Zoom call with you again?
Not only one. If you love to the keyword, when I give the keyword list, if you feel you need the
Okay.
Zoom, I am available, no problem. But before
Yeah.
Zoom, kindly give me a schedule.
Oh, no problem for sure. No
Yeah.
problem. Okay. The stuff so I can.
Make the payments. You can either give me your bank details or I what we can do you have a Fiverr account?
I have a Fiverr account.
So Mehdi can send you the offer if you so I will send you a link to his so you can find him and then he can send you the offer in that way.
Let's make sure I have
But
one.
if you give me the order, Jenny, it will be very good for me because I already sent the link again and again in your account. So if Fiverr
Ah,
see I
okay.
don't get the order from your account, then Fiverr think I get the payment out of marketplace. It very bad for me.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay,
You
okay.
just use my credit card then.
All right, no problem.
Okay.
No problem. All right.
Okay. No problem. We'll make that payment by today, and then I guess we can figure this out.
Okay. And the messages you would promise, where would you like for him to contact you via email or
email,
somewhere else?
email is good.
Yeah,
Email.
email is
Even
Okay.
good. You can.
email is good. Yeah.
All
Even
right.
WhatsApp to anyone is good.
Okay. All right then.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Mandy.
Thank you. You are
Thank you.
so welcome. And when if you have any questions, just message me. I will as soon as possible. I will reply back.
No
All
problem.
right. Thank you. Have a
Appreciate
good
it.
one.
Have a
Okay.
good one.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.